What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Bowers & Wilkins PX7 headphones. And before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome and helpful videos like this. Let's get into it. To begin resetting the headphone, you have to make sure that it is first powered on, and you can do that by sliding the power button to the middle position. And once you do, you're going to see the LED button light up below here. And once it's turned on, you're going to find your volume up button, which is this one, your volume down button, which is this one, and your noise cancellation button to the left of the ear cup, which is this one. And you're going to press and hold all three of them at the same time for 10 seconds until you see this LED light go away and then light up again. So let's do that now. So as you can see, it is still on. You're going to have to hold it down for 10 seconds. So it went away, and then we're going to let go of all three buttons once the LED light turns on again. And there we go. So this was my video on how to reset your Bowers & Wilkins PX7 headphones. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.